In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a cover page in Word, a skill that can really make your document stand out. Whether you're preparing a report, a thesis, or any professional document, a well-designed cover page can set the tone and give a great first impression. Microsoft Word has made it simple to add a stylish cover page with just a few clicks. Let me show you how to do it. First, you'll want to open your document in Microsoft Word. It doesn't matter if it's blank or already filled with content. Word will handle the placement for you. Once your document is open, navigate to the top of the screen where you'll see a series of tabs. You're going to want to click on the one labeled Insert. This tab is your gateway to adding various elements like pictures, tables, and in our case, a cover page. Now that you're on the Insert tab, direct your attention to a section called the Pages group. Here, you'll find an option that says Cover Page. Click on it. What you'll see is a gallery of built-in cover page designs. Microsoft Word offers a variety of templates to match different styles and needs. Whether you're looking for something professional, modern, or creative, there's likely a design that will suit your document. Take a moment to browse through the available designs. You can hover over each option to see a preview of what it will look like. This is a great way to ensure the cover page aligns with your overall document aesthetic. Once you've found a design you like, click on it to select it. Word will automatically insert the cover page you've chosen at the beginning of your document. This means you don't have to worry about manually moving it to the right place. Word takes care of it for you. It's really that simple. Once the cover page is inserted, you'll notice placeholder text. This is where you can customize the cover page to fit your specific needs. Click on any text box to enter your own information, such as the document title, author name, date, and other relevant details. Feel free to add or modify the text as needed to make it your own. If at any point you change your mind about the design, it's easy to switch to a different cover page. Simply go back to the Insert tab, click on Cover Page in the Pages group, and select a new design. Word will replace the current cover page with your new choice, keeping your custom text intact. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've added a professional cover page to your Word document. Remember, a thoughtfully chosen cover page can enhance the overall presentation of your work, making it more engaging and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on using Microsoft Word and other software tools. Thank you for watching, and happy document creating.